Any Chrome will fire, I love this, Chrome will fire Firefox extension you recommend or other free resources than Canva. Okay, let's talk about TubeBuddy. Is there a tool that can really help you grow as a YouTuber? I couldn't believe it when the software was recommended to me. And as I said, they're not a sponsor. They didn't pay me to say this. TubeBuddy is a game changer. I started my YouTube channel at the beginning just record whatever I wanted. Same mistake with a lot of people. But frankly, I enjoyed it because there was a lot of freedom for me to practice without thinking that I'm making all these mistakes. Then I discovered TubeBuddy. Let's take a look inside TubeBuddy. It's something that's native to YouTube. So this is what's considered as a plugin. But what is it for? It helps you research title, keywords. Once I click on this, I currently have a legend license. You don't need to. You can start with their starter license, which is only $4 a month. And the most frequently used feature from within my YouTube channel is the Keyword Explorer. In fact, these days, I don't start recording until I've done my research. So I click on Keyword Explorer. And how about, this is completely unplanned, by the way. You're wondering, what if I, after the session, let me do a how to start a YouTube channel. As soon as I type that, you notice something, which is Keyword Explorer from within TubeBuddy giving you hints on the titles that have already been used or may be popular currently on YouTube. When I say currently, because this list will change. Maybe tomorrow morning when you wake up will be something different. But what if I just search for something more generic? How to start a YouTube channel. Now, if you're into analytics, you really like this part, it's going to assess the likelihood of this video being a good idea for your channel. And so it says very good. And of course, sometimes we want to see some of the deep green here, which is excellent. So how is TubeBuddy calculating this? I get really excited talking about this part, TubeBuddy, with all my clients who are trying to start YouTube channels, trying to grow their YouTube channel. So it's based on a few things. First is search volume. It's looking at how many people are searching for this term right now, like maybe this title. A lot of people. That's good. Competition. Why is it in orange? It's fair. Guess what? There are a lot of people who are already creating content on this topic, and some of them are really big YouTubers. Finally, optimization strength. What's the likelihood of this video begin to rank? Is this still a good idea for you to consider it? And the answer is yes. And here are some more specific, search results versus monthly searches. These are estimates. And then it generates this assessment, or this kind of like this dial here. Now, one thing you might want to consider, if you see something that has that has potential, but there's a lot of competition, what you want to do on YouTube is called niching down. Instead of saying how to start a YouTube channel for anybody, what if you say how to start a YouTube channel for beginners? Look at this. How to start a YouTube channel on your phone. How to start a YouTube channel in 2021. So let's start with beginners. This is really interesting. So right now the search volume usually is shorter because the more keywords you put in this Keyword Explorer, right? Usually the fewer search results because you're just narrowing it down, but that isn't always a bad thing. Instead of speaking to 10, 20 million people, which you know that YouTube isn't going to just recommend your video to this many people, you want to niche down so you're speaking to a very specific audience. I even dare to say, what if you create a video to say how to start a YouTube channel as a coach, as a mom, as someone, let's say as a Gen X, right? Something you can be very tailored, specific about what you're creating. So for that reason, I truly love using Keyword Explorer. And there's something else I want to also show you as one of my more popular videos. If I go into details, you'll notice that it takes quite a bit to actually upload a video, thumbnail, but down here, there's something called tags. At the beginning, when I was researching or studying tags, it gave me such a headache because what do you write? So instead of dreaming this up, starting from scratch, now all these TB icons are part of TubeBuddy is giving you ideas of what you can incorporate. Now, you don't want to just necessarily click, click, click. You actually do want to go through the process because at the end of the day, it's a machine, right? So it's up to you to decide what you want to rank for, what your video is really about. So as you can see, Zoom hosting tips, it's saying, what it's saying, this little green bubble here is like when people are on YouTube or searching for Zoom hosting tips, this video could come up in the first position. It's not always accurate, so let's find out. I actually doubt is the case right now because there are a lot of competition. So I go to YouTube and I search for what it tells me, Zoom hosting tips. And it's correct. I'm still ranking rather high for this keyword. Right, so that's what you want to do. I have something, my breakthrough video is called How to Teach Zumba on Zoom. Something very specific, niche. And here I am. I'm in the first position still for that video. If I scroll down, I don't know. Maybe I'll find more videos, but not today, not currently. So this list will actually change pretty regularly. All right, so that was a lot on TubeBuddy. If you want to learn more, there are a lot of features. Just drop me a question. Thank you.